If you're still using a basic dash cam, well, you're missing out on the crucial safety features that's actually going to protect you on the road today. Today, we're going to be breaking down the BlackVue Elite 10 and why it's one of the smartest upgrades that drivers can make on the road. Hey, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. Today, we're going to be breaking down the new BlackVue Elite 10. I'm going to be walking you through why the Elite 10 matters today, who it's for, and why these features matter in real-life situations. At its core, the BlackVue Elite 10 centers around one central theme, giving you reliable, high-quality evidence without the usual headaches. This means clear footage, smarter parking protection, and a more connected experience through the cloud. Because at the end of the day, a dash cam isn't just about specs. It's about being able to be there reliably when it matters most. Let's start off with the video quality. The Elite 10 captures ultra-clear footage with improved dynamic range, which means better detail in both bright and dark conditions. Whether it's harsh sunlight, night driving, fast-moving traffic, you're still going to be able to pick up those important details like license plates and road signs. And this is where cheaper dash cams usually fail, because everything looks fine until you actually need to zoom in. Now, one of the main reasons why people upgrade: better parking protection. The Elite 10 is designed to monitor your vehicle even when you're away, with intelligent detection for impacts and motion. So if someone hits your car in a parking lot or tries something suspicious, the camera captures it automatically. And importantly, it's built to do this reliably, without draining your battery or missing events. Where this really separates itself is the connectivity. With BlackVue Cloud features, you can check in on your car remotely, receive alerts when something happens, and even access footage from anywhere. So instead of finding out after the fact, you're notified in real time. Another big factor is usability. The Elite 10 is designed to be simple once it's set up. Clean app interface, easy file access, and consistent performance day to day. Because the reality is, even the best features don't matter if the system is frustrating to use. So who's this actually for? Well, if you drive daily, or you park in a really high traffic area, or you just want peace of mind knowing that you're going to be covered no matter what happens, then this is the type of system that just makes sense. It's less about the dash cam itself, really. It's more about having one that you can actually trust. If you're considering upgrading your setup, then the BlackVue Elite 10 is one of the most complete systems on the market today. If you want to learn more or see how it compares to the other models, then see the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to find the right setup for your vehicle. And if you want to support us, hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackboxMyCar.